In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this smooth mask transition in DaVinci Resolve 19. First step of this effect is to speed ramp your clips like I have. Position the clips like I do. The second clip should start when the first one is at its slowest point. If it's possible, make the clips more stacked on top of each other to prevent any difficulties later. Highlight all of the clips and create a new fusion clip. I will spread these nodes apart to create some space. Add a transform node for the merge 3. This will make the movements for the transition. Add a polygon for the merge 3. Click invert so it's easier to mask. Mask out the bottom of the car and the foreground. Manually adjust the mask so it stays on the right points. It doesn't need to be perfect since we will use softness to make it more smooth. Select the merge 2 and add transform to it. Adjust center Y to make the car visible. Great. Now take the animator transform we added in the beginning. Go to the point where the speed ramp begins to change the direction and make a keyframe for size and center. Move forward until the speed ramp slows down again and zoom into the second clip like I do. Open spline window and select Transform 1. Highlight all of the points and press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. Now it looks good, but we need to cover the transparent part in the beginning. Copy the polygon, media in 3, and merge 3 and paste it on top. Reset the polygon by pressing on this icon. Go to the point where the transparent part ends and make a mask around the whole screen. Also make a keyframe for level. Go 20 to 30 frames forward and turn down level all the way. Open spline window and copy the look of my graph. Nice. Select the lower polygon node and turn up soft edge. Drag a polygon or a B-spline node for the media in 2. Invert the mask and mask out the foreground. Make sure the mask stays on the right place by manually adjusting it. Once that's done, add transform for the media in 1. Adjust the center Y until the car is visible. In my case, the clip hasn't started yet, so I just need to move forward in the timeline so I can see it. This is the reason why you should make the clips more stacked. Select the animator transform again and find the point where the speed ramp is about to speed up and make keyframes for center and size. Go to the point where the speed ramp slows down again and adjust the values so the last clip is in the middle. Smooth out the graph in the spline window. Make sure to adjust the graphs and timings to fit your edit. Turn up soft edge for the mask. Only few more things before the effect is ready. Copy all the nodes with the media in 2 and paste them on top. Reset the B-spline and make a mask around the whole screen. Find the point where the third clip starts and make a keyframe for level. Go forward about 20 to 30 frames and turn it all the way down. Smooth out the graph in the spline window. Now, as you can see, the first clip just disappears randomly. To fix this, go to the last frame where the clip is visible and select the lowest polygon we used to mask out the foreground, and then make a keyframe for level. Go about 10 frames backward and make another keyframe. Turn level to 0 on the first one so it fades out nicely. Copy the graph again. Do the same for the second clip. For the final step, add motion blur for the animator transform. Copy my settings for it. That's basically it.